To delete your browsing data in the Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap Setting. Tap Personal Browsing Data. Tap Delete Browsing Data. Here, check the radio button next to the type of data you want to delete. As the example, we will select browsing history, form and search history, cookies and site data, cache images and files. Next, tap Delete Data. A pop-up appears to ask you whether you like to continue deleting the selected type of data. Tap Delete to continue deleting your browsing data. Given to the function, deleting your browsing data from the Internet app will help you to protect your privacy by deleting your browsing history. Moreover, if you share your device with others, it will also prevent tracking and improve browser performance by removing cookies, cache, and other stored information. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.